Welcome back to Jamaica Drone Shots. Today, we're bringing you an exciting follow-up on the Princes Grand Jamaica Resort, now 4 months after its long-anticipated opening. This resort has gained a lot of interest from our viewers, and many of you have been asking for an update. Some are curious about the progress of Phase 2 of the hotel. Others want to know about the casino, and of course a few just want to see if the resort actually has guests now. Personally, I was eager to check on the beach area and the water conditions, so let's get into it. Now, there is no denying it. This resort is absolutely breathtaking from above. The grand architecture, the vibrant layout, and the overall scale of this development make it one of the most impressive resorts in Jamaica. And the best part, it's just getting started. Here we're looking down at the Overwater bungalows, a dream stay for many. One noticeable improvement is how much clearer the water looks compared to our last update. Even the seabed itself looks more inviting. Would you book one of these bungalows for a getaway? Let us know in the comments. Now, as we take a closer look at this section of the beach, you'll notice the water has some dark brown sediments, with some of it washing up ashore. Have you ever seen this before? Any ideas as to what it could be and how it might be addressed? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Moving over the resort's main pools and the hot tubs, everything looks pristine and well maintained. The water is crystal clear and the entire poolside area is just as inviting as you'd expect from a high-end resort. The landscaping has also improved significantly. Those plants have now fully recovered from transplant shock and are thriving, adding a lush and tropical feel to the entire property. Now, take a look at this wide expanse of cleared land. This is where phase 2 of the resort is set to rise. Just imagine what this view will look like once the second phase is fully built out. If the first phase is anything to go by, the expansion could take the resort to an entire new level. Next up, here's a look at what appears to be the construction of the casino. The structure is already in an advanced stage, but there is still a lot of work left to be done. We can see the framing for the second story coming together, and once complete, this addition could bring a whole new level of entertainment to the resort. Finally, let's check out the staff accommodations. From what we can see, this building looks mostly complete, and it seems like workers have already moved in. Curtains are up, and the main structure is looking finished. However, construction is still ongoing outside, with several new buildings being added around the main facility. And that's our latest look at the Princes Grand Jamaica Resort 4 months after opening. There's been a lot of progress, but still more to come. What are your thoughts? Is this a resort you'd want to visit? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive aerial tours of Jamaica's top developments. Until next time, fly high and explore more.